Hi, if you need to enable or disable call forwarding on the iPhone 16, then open Settings, go in the Apps tab. Here find the phone application, and after that scroll a bit and you will see this call forwarding feature. So as a first step, you can see that now it is disabled, and to enable it just tap on the switcher, and now you would need to enter the phone's number to which you want to forward all of your calls. Just use this phone tab, or you can just paste here the phone numbers if you copied it before. And after that, all of your calls will be forwarded to the person which you selected here. And if you want to disable this feature, just tap on the switcher like that once more, and now it is disabled. So that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.